Popular bird types by category Part 2. Small and cute birds. Finches may be tiny, but they are full of charm and energy. These colorful little birds are known for their cheerful songs and playful hopping. Found in many parts of the world, finches come in different colors and patterns. They love seeds, enjoy flying in groups, and can brighten any day with their sweet sounds. Small bird, big personality. Parrotlets may be tiny, but they have the confidence of a much bigger bird. These small parrots are known for their playful attitude, intelligence, and fearless personality. Native to Central and South America, parrotlets come in beautiful shades of green, blue, and yellow. They love climbing, exploring, and staying active. Society finches are small birds loved for their gentle and friendly nature. These social little birds enjoy living in groups and are happiest with companions nearby. They are active, playful, and fill the air with soft, cheerful chirps. Society finches are easy to care for, making them popular pets for bird lovers. Tiny birds, big friendship. Zebra finches are tiny birds known for their bright colors and cheerful energy. They are easy to recognize by their striped patterns, orange beaks, and lively movements. Native to Australia, these playful birds love to chirp, hop, and stay active all day. Zebra finches enjoy company and often live happily in pairs or groups. Small size, joyful spirit. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more cute and funny Did You Know videos.